In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make $100 a day on TradingView, even if you're a complete beginner. TradingView is a powerful platform providing tools for analyzing financial markets and identifying potential trading opportunities. If you're new to this, don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring that even if you've never traded before, you'll feel equipped to start. First, let's head over to the TradingView website. It's the hub where you'll be able to track all markets in real time, which is crucial for making informed trading decisions. This site is loaded with features, so stay with me as we navigate to the ones that are essential for you to focus on. Once you're on TradingView, the next step is to tap on any chart. TradingView offers a range of charts, but for this demonstration, any chart will suffice. These charts are vital as they visually represent the price movements of markets over time, helping you predict future trends. After selecting a chart, you'll want to click on the 1D button at the top. This feature allows you to set the time frame of the chart to 1 day, meaning each data point on the chart represents 1 day's worth of trading. Setting your chart to the right time frame is important, as it impacts how you interpret the market's movement and craft your strategy. Now, this is where you'll need to consider how frequently you want to trade. By clicking on the highlight button, you can choose a time frame of 1 or 5 minutes. Selecting a shorter time frame, like 1 minute, zooms in on the market's movements, which can benefit those who prefer quicker trading setups. A 5-minute time frame, on the other hand, offers a slightly broader view but still focuses on short-term trades. Your choice here depends on your personal trading style and how swiftly you want to execute trades. Finally, take a moment to view your updated chart. This final look shows a detailed, time-sensitive illustration of market trends, and it's from here that you can assess your trading opportunities. With your chart set up, you're ready to start practicing and honing your skills. As you become more familiar with identifying patterns and using charts, your confidence, and hopefully your earnings, will grow. Remember, trading involves risk, and practice is key. The more you engage with the charts and learn the intricacies of TradingView, the better equipped you'll be to make smart, profitable trades. Keep learning, stay patient, and you'll find trading success. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel ready to embark on your TradingView journey.